The VPK Bearing Company presents to your attention the radial ball bearing 6203ZZ from the international brand KG International. Is one of the most popular solutions in the budget and middle price segment. The bearing is closed on both sides with metal sealing rings, filled with grease for the entire service life of the bearing, and does not require additional lubrication. Bearing dimensions: inner diameter 17 mm, outer 40. Bearing height 12 mm. Application: household appliances, agricultural machinery, cars, power tools. Details about this and other bearings on the company's website, where you can go by the link below the video. VPK Bearing, only original goods.